Back again, people, and I know various times people don't really want to talk about crypto, Bitcoin, and it's normal. It's a recession, and crypto will bounce back, everything will bounce back, Bitcoin will still bounce back. It's normal. If you're new to this channel, the name is Onupa, a former server moderator and also a consultant for Market Cipher. Market Cipher is a script that gives traders insight into the very direction of the assets that they are trying to trade. Sorry, insight means insight means basically you are having access to one of the most important or the two most important oscillators in trading, which is money flow and momentum. Money flow is your how do we call it? Money flow is your basically your liquid, and momentum is the force. So it's like force and liquid, and I'll repeat this thing till I die. Market Cipher is by far one of the best scripts out there, without a doubt, and it's not for free because it was programmed by people, so you have to pay for it. So I'm not fronting this company because I have an interest. Nope, nope, nope. It works, and people have to embrace the fact that Market Cipher is the best script out there. So today's video, I'm just trying to show possible trading scenarios whereby you could have entered a long or short using Market Cipher script. We are in a bearish time, so most people are not really into crypto right now. It's normal. It's a cycle, market cycle. So basically, let's embrace it. Let's look at this scenario like this. We had a green dot registering here. There's a green dot, which is a good sign, and we had our force, which is our momentum, was building up. You understand? Anytime you see momentum crosses oversold territories, this line, this is an overbought line, and this is an oversold line. You do have to realize that trading is an inverse. It's mathematics, it's probability. So what you're trying to do is you're trying to minimize the outcomes. You understand? Like the probable outcomes to two scenarios is either up or down and consolidation. So and that's why I don't really want to talk about trading versus gambling, but I did a video years ago, months ago, the very stages of my channel. I talk about trading versus gambling. I'm not really going to talk about it, but what I'm trying to say is when it comes to trading, right, when it comes to trading, you do have to realize that it's an inverse relationship. Is either up or down and consolidate. You understand? So Market Cipher gives you a clear visual representation of how it works. So we have a zero line, which is this line that divides the two halves. We have the positive territories and you have the negative territories. So everything that happens here at the top is inversely related to everything that happens down. So if this one is overbought, it's oversold. If it's up, it's down. If it's positive, it's negative here. So let's take a critical look here. I know if you're new to this channel or new to trading, everything seems to be clumsy to you. Your brain is not really programmed to extract how it works right from the very onset. It takes a while, and that's what I'm trying to break it down to you. So this is a green dot, this is a good sign. Momentum is trying to surge upwards, right? It's heading upwards. So it means momentum moves, right? Liquid also moves. These are moving oscillators on different time frames. So these oscillators are moving on different time frames, and momentum is also moving. So once there is a green dot here, right, is a good sign. Momentum is going up into the positive territories. Remember, momentum is a force that push something up. Whereas basically the normal definition for momentum is a force or a pull or push of an object. So let's say momentum is going to pull something up. So it gathers the force here, it crosses the oversold line, then it started heading upward. So headed upward, then it crosses the overbought line. Let's see what happened to price. So price started moving upward. So you could have entered a long here, held on to that long till momentum crossed this this, how do we call it, this overbought line. Make no mistake, money was also in the positive territories as well, and money was also building upwards. So see, money was building upwards like this, and momentum was also heading upwards like this. So two most important things were climbing up. So force is pushing money up as well. I wouldn't say force is pushing money, but force is also getting up, and money is also surging up. So what happens to price? Evidently, price rose from, let's say, 18,000 to 22,000. I was on a 4 hour time frame, so you could have probably held on to that long, entered that long here, held on to it for a while, and enjoyed a decent profit. So these are possible trading scenarios with Market Cipher, and it shows you two most important things, which is money flow and momentum. And it's your duty to understand how momentum works. Momentum doesn't move like the way money flow moves. Momentum moves like this. Let me show you how momentum moves. It goes up like this, then comes down, up, then comes down, up, then comes down. So momentum always crosses the upward, sorry, the inverse line, the mediator line, the zero line. So either goes up like this. Sometimes it can go and cross this line. It can also come and also cross this line. It can also go whenever you reach that 60 line and then come down like this. So it's like that has been the nature of momentum. It's a force. And money flow is like liquid cash that backs an assets. It doesn't move like the way momentum moves. You will never see money flow crossing the 60 line because it's not a force, it's a liquid. It can climb as higher to this point. This should let you know how much money is being pumped into the asset, because you do have to realize that every asset is backed by liquid, and liquidity attracts traders. Every trader knows the power of liquidity, and Market Cipher shows you all the basic stuff that you know. So it's not like I'm trying to downplay another scripts or other indicators like the Fibonacci retracement and all this Ichimoku cloud. I've tried using all these stuff before. I'm not going to say it doesn't work. It does, but it's hard. You understand? If you have a human body and you have the eyes, you have the ears, you have the nose, right? And let's say you can lose your eyes and still function, but what if you lose your heart and you lose your blood? You understand? That is death for you, and that's what separates Market Cipher from other stuffs. Other stuffs are more other scripts are basically talking about the head, sorry, the eyes, the hands, the other parts of your body that when you lose it, or the absence of them doesn't really worry you entirely. Let me give a typical example. And I'm sorry for using his name. Steve Wonder is a blind person, but he still can play keyboard, right? But what if he didn't have blood in him? He's dead. You understand? Sorry for using him for that description, but I'm just trying to make it easier for most people to understand. So this is how Market Cipher basically works. We have the heart and we have the we have the heart and have the blood, and these are the most important or the most influential part of your human body, and that's what you need in trading: the heart and the blood. You understand? So the momentum is the heart that pumps, and liquid is the blood, right? So that moves. So if you're new to this channel, again, you can also join my Discord. The link is under the description. You can like, share, subscribe, leave a message, let me know what you think. And with this Market Cipher, they do have an academy as well. You can book an appointment with all these vetted and audited traders. They do have a Discord as well where you can join and learn from them as well. People all over the world, you can join and learn and increase the depth of your trading knowledge. So like I said, I'm here for you guys who are in a recession. I'm not really saying much or doing any trading or teaching any trading stuff, so I'm just relaxed, seeing how the market goes. And once we go back into the bullish times, bullish markets, things will change, and basically people will come back to crypto. So until then, people, I'm always available, and I'm here for you guys. Like people who don't know anything about trading, basically. So until then, people, have a nice time. Peace.